This is a 2011 Ford Escape, and we are replacing the side mirror. First thing we have to do is to remove this panel right here, the flag panel. There are a couple of clips that hold it on. Now underneath that panel we will find this electrical connector to the mirror, and we want to remove that just like that. Next thing we have to do is to remove these three 10mm headed bolts that hold the mirror on. This one's a little tricky right here, down inside the door panel a little bit, but if you're careful you can get it. Here is the tricky one, but if you're careful you can remove it without removing the door panel. Jeez, it's pretty long. Alright, it's getting loose. There it is. Got it. Now we have to remove the other two. This is the last bolt. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it'll come right off, just like that. Now to replace our mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Ford Escape.